Hey guys, this is Jake with Think Free Live Free. For the last 2 weeks, I've been on a road trip, so I haven't been able to work much on the van. My last video on the van, I showed you my electrical. It was kind of an electrical overview. I have not shown you how everything operates, that everything is working in the van. So I just wanted to show you some of the components that I did put in the van, electrical wise, and that everything is operational and running. I did install a 40-inch TV above the bed. I have a Roku hooked up on that. I do not have my internet installed yet, so that's something that I still have to figure out. My next steps are probably going to be to install my kitchen in this area. I do have 2 cats, so you can see a lot of cat stuff here. But the trip went very well. I didn't have any issues with my electrical. So over here I have a small rocker switch panel. The top one is for water pump, which will be installed underneath on the driver's side. So that's one of the next things that I have to do, is install my water tank and then do my little kitchen unit in this area here by the door and get my refrigerator set up. Another one that's going to be for the lights above the kitchen. And then I installed a dimmer switch here. If you hit that once, you'll see the puck lights come on, and there's a total of 6 puck lights in my ceiling, and if you hold this down, they will dim. So that's kind of a nice feature. You definitely want to put some kind of dimmer switch. I will also list this dimmer switch in the description for some people that might be interested. I believe it was about $11. For my outlets, I have a total of 8 outlets. This one will be for the kitchen here. This is a GFCI, so this protects the second one here that I have as well, which will also be for the kitchen. And then there's an outlet behind the television, and then I have 2 outlets on this side with USB connectors for both outlets, which is kind of nice. And then I have another outlet on this wall. And I still have to finish this wall as well. I have to put up some paneling there. And then I have a fan running on this side. So there's still a lot to do. I have a max air fan that can bring air in or pull air out. It has 10 speeds. As you can see here, it works on a remote control. Currently I have the air pulling in. If I press this button, it will reverse it and pull air out. It's been quite useful, especially for the cats, the van getting hot. Another reason for me installing this TV was to have a spot to work with my computer, so I can upload videos and stuff. So my computer is also in here connected to this monitor so that I can do editing. The fan and the puck lights are all 12 volt along with my water pump, so that is not running through my inverter. My inverter is behind this wall. I kind of blocked it off at the moment for the cats. I made a cutout here so I can monitor my inverter. This is temporary. I did not want my cats to be able to get into my electrical components. It's a basic overview for right now of my electrical and that everything is running. I appreciate you guys watching. Please hit the like button, please subscribe if you like the content. I hope this is useful for some people, just to get an idea of puck lights and fans and computer monitors and outlets and things like that in your van. If you look at some of my other videos, you'll see how I installed those outlets and how I installed my battery. This is now the final step of actually seeing things working, which is kind of nice. It's been a blessing to have full electrical in the van. I don't have too many issues with that at all. I got 600 watts of solar on the roof, so I have not really had to plug into shore power. And then I also have that DC to DC charger that charges my battery as I'm driving. Stay tuned. I'll be working on my kitchen pretty soon and hooking up my water. I'm also going to install a water filter for drinking. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This is Jake with Think Free Live Free, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.